In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for an Airbnb reservation using Gcash. This process is incredibly convenient, especially if you're looking for a smooth and hassle-free checkout experience. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open up your web browser and head over to the Airbnb website. Once you're there, locate the menu icon at the top right corner of the page and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll find the option to log in or sign up. Click on that to either log in to your existing account or create a new one, depending on your needs. Now, for a more streamlined experience, click on the Continue with Google button. This will prompt you to select your Google account if you have multiple, or automatically log you in if you're already signed in with your preferred account. It's a quick and secure way to access your Airbnb account without the need for additional passwords. Once logged in, you'll want to start your search by clicking on the Where field. Here you can type in the destination you're planning to visit. This step is crucial, as it sets the stage for all the subsequent search refinements based on location. Once you've entered your location, move on to the next section. Next, click on Check In to select your start date. Using the calendar that appears, choose the date when you plan to begin your stay. Following this, click on Check Out to select the end date of your stay. These dates will help tailor your search results to show accommodations that fit perfectly within your travel schedule. Now, proceed by clicking the Search button. This action will display a range of available properties at your desired location and within your chosen date range. Browse through the listings, and when you find one that suits your taste and requirements, go ahead and click on it for more details. Once you've settled on a place you want to stay, click on Reserve. This will take you to the payment page where you can finalize your booking details. At this point, look for Gcash among the available payment options. Select it as your preferred mode of payment to proceed with the transaction. Then, click on the Next button. This step might include additional payment information or confirmations, so follow the prompts as needed. Finally, when you're ready to complete the transaction, click on Confirm and Pay. As a final step, Airbnb will generate a QR code specifically for your Gcash payment. Use this QR code to complete your payment through the Gcash app, bringing your booking to a close. And there you have it. You've successfully booked your Airbnb stay using Gcash. This method not only ensures secure transactions, but also adds a layer of convenience to your reservation experience. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your trip.